Welcome to Omega Plumbing Services. We are on our way today. We're going to put 2 valves in that we should have had last week, but that's okay. Things change. So we're putting in a outdoor shower valve and a tub valve because the last one they had was too big. So let's go. Okay, the guys are putting in a shower valve. This is our second one. We're going to see, we took that one out because it was too big for the purpose that we are having here. The spout was way over here. So they're putting in a Delta with a smaller spout. And then we'll see what happens after that. This is what we decided to go with right here. Well, I didn't decide. Typically, cleanest bathroom in San Luis Obispo is at Whole Foods, and it always smells good. Okay, there you go, Phil Rich. So it's been a very strange summer, and last winter was very strange. And it's cold. It's like cool. It's very odd. So I don't know what's happening, but I don't like it. I want my son. I want my son back. S-U-N. Anyway. I mean, look at it here. I'm going to show you. It's cloudy. Look at this clouds. That is the 101. It's the 101 in Central Coast.